What is up, guys? Rafael here one more time. Now let me take the chance to talk about this product right here that I got from these guys from Artmushie. They were kind enough to send me this pack of 2 multi-charging cables to test it out. So it comes with 2 cables. I got the USB-A type on one side, and this other one has the C type right here on the other side. So, and also the 4 options that I have. So if you have multiple devices to be charged like I do, I have the lightning cable for my AirPods, the old school Apple connector. We got a mini USB right over here, the other side, and 2 C types, 1 and 2. So very nice. I got the option to use on the main the USB-C type. On the other one, I do have the USB-A type. So very nice. I mean, this is so useful, especially if you like, imagine if I have to take 1 cable for each and I don't have enough ports or power connection. So with this case, I can charge multiple devices and just use 1 port on my power AC. So very happy with this. Very nice. If you're looking for a good multi-cable, for sure the Artmushie can be a great option for you.